This VATAS instructional video is going to focus on telework from the supervisor perspective. We are currently logged into VATAS as a supervisor, and we are at the supervisor main menu. Let's go to select employees. Once we are in select employees, we want to use the blue search box to narrow this list down to the employees for which it is the current pay period for the primary supervisor. In the blue pay period drop-down box, we will select the current pay period, which has the asterisk beside it. And in the supervisor field, we will type the last name of the primary supervisor, which is Supervisor for this training demo, and search. This will result in a list of employees for the current pay period for which Bruce Supervisor is the primary supervisor. We want to take a look at Emily Employee's timesheet, and here is Emily Employee. The timesheet is currently validated by the timekeeper. We're going to put a check in front of the employee's name and scroll to the bottom and select Certify Selected. This is the employee's timesheet with all of the time posted as of the exact moment you are viewing it. Notice the telework is indicated by either TW for telework regular, and we also have TS for telework ad hoc or situational. If an employee has a telework agreement that is signed on file per VA Handbook 5011/28, Part 2, Chapter 3, and they telework on the same days, pay period after pay period, the timekeeper needs to build that into the employee schedule as telework regular, and it will appear on the employee's timesheet just as you are viewing it here in this demo. If the employee situationally teleworks, the timekeeper will post those to the timesheet just like they did on Tuesday 5/9 situationally as TS, telework ad hoc situational. There is also a third scenario in which an employee could have a telework code, and this would be TM telework medical. In these instances, an employee is typically approved for telework medical for a set amount of time during which their schedule would reflect TM telework medical. Notice the supervisor will also see the employee's schedule on their timesheet when certifying, and if they hover the mouse over any day, it will tell them which days that employee was scheduled to telework if they want to verify it based on the timesheet above. As we scroll to the bottom, the supervisor can then certify the schedule if that is the action they're wanting to take. They will then receive the blue banner of success letting them know the timesheet has been certified. But again, this video is focusing on the telework codings. This has become a highly auditable item within the VA, and it is imperative that telework is indicated on employees' timesheets. We're going to go back to our supervisor main menu, and we would like to thank you for participating and viewing our instructional VATAS video.